Miss Jones taught me English, but I think I just shot her son. 'Cause he owed me money with a bullet in the chest. You cannot run. Now he's bleeding in a vacant lot, the one in the summer where we used to smoke pot. I guess I didn't mean it, but man, you should have seen it. His flesh explode, slow motion, see me let go. We tend to die young, slow motion, see me let go. What a brother knows, slow motion, see me let go. Now the cops will get me, but girl, if you would let me, I'll take your pants off. I got a little bit of blow, we could both get off. Later bathing in the afterglow, 2 lines of coke got cut with Drano, and her nose starts to bleed. A most beautiful ruby red, slow motion, see me let go. We'll remember these days, slow motion, see me let go. Urban life decay, slow motion, see me let go. And at home, my sister's eating paint chips again. Maybe that's why she's insane. I shut the door to her moaning, and I shoot smack in my veins. Wouldn't you see my neighbor's beating his wife? Because he hates his life. There's a knock to his fist as he swings. Oh man, what a beautiful thing. And death slides close to me, won't grow old to be. A junkie wino creep. Hollywood glamorized my wrath. I'm a young urban psychopath. I incite murder for your entertainment, 'cause I needed the money. What's your excuse? The joke's on you. Slow motion,